Check me out. This is Oak Ridge Beach View.
So I'm driving to go to another beach real quick, and I'm hungry. So I stopped a little Chinese spot over here, China Wok Buffet. About to see what it's hitting for. I went there, ordered that vegetable lo mein. Of course, right next door they got the fresh vegetable stand and fruits. I think I'm gonna grab one of them watermelons just for the sake of it. I ain't had no fruit since I've been down here. What happened, man? You speak English? Man, this shit's slapping. I know I look like one of these Honduran niggas down with my hair like this, but that right there is all I need to get full. This, I need food. All I'm interested in is something to eat, and I'm vegan. You know what? I do need some souvenirs. I'm lying. As long as I got y'all don't got tourist prices up here, do y'all?
No, we got local.
All right, okay.
Please like, share, and subscribe.